What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we gotta go over baby Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu because there is big news going on. And before I say anything, I just want to say if you want to support this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section to help with the YouTube algorithm. It'll really help me out a lot. But without further ado, let's go over this because the greatest or the worst rug pull of all time has literally just now been performed on baby Shiba Inu. As you can see, down 40% inside of one day, not even in an hour. Like, this is crazy. Last 24 hours, 39.9%, basically 40%, a 40% drop. Look at this. I said yesterday about baby Shiba Inu that I was unsure about their ethics. I was unsure about what's going on here, but I was saying, like, for some reason everything's up, but baby Shiba Inu is down. And now yet again, I'm 100% right again. Last 30 days, down 89% or 87.9% in the last 30 days, down 65% in the last 14 days, down 49% in the last 7 days, and then down 39.9%, down 40% in the last 24 hours. This is literally the worst rug pull ever. Like, look at that, just straight down, all the way down. This is terrible right here. Now, at this point, if you have money in baby Shiba Inu, I don't know what to tell you. Like, honestly, I never tell anyone to buy it. I never tell anyone to do anything. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But just know that this is one of the worst rug pulls ever. Just look at this. I mean, it's not as bad as other ones because there wasn't that much money to begin with in baby Shiba Inu. But mind you, earlier yesterday, there was only about $2 million in baby Shiba Inu, right? Now there's $1.6 million, almost like 400K, almost $1 million was sold out of baby Shiba Inu in like the past 24 hours. This is a huge drop right here. This is terrible. And yesterday I was saying how I just keep seeing all these whales selling out with baby Shiba Inu. Every time we have one of these jumps, we always are followed by a drop. And every single time, look back here, jumps, but then it drops huge right here, like these huge drop offs. Like, these baby Shiba Inu whales are selling out huge. Now we're going to go over the baby Shiba Inu whales and which ones are doing it. We don't really know who's doing it. We just know everyone's selling out of baby Shiba Inu. Baby Shiba Inu is getting sold out left and right. Even though they have big news, huge news, they're still getting just dropped and dumped left and right. It's just terrible. This is like one of the worst rug pulls ever. Now look over here, 37,927,000 people holding baby Shiba Inu. So the amount of people holding baby Shiba Inu is still high. Yet, look at this. All right, so this second one right here, obviously this is the pancake swap liquidity, right? Obviously. But anyways, you can even see in that liquidity wallet. Let's refresh it so we can get the up-to-date amount. Anyways, you can see, yes, they bought 62 billion baby Shibas, right? Or not even bought because it's pancake swap liquidity. Anyways, 62 billion, but look, selling all these outflows here, just so much baby Shiba Inu leaving out here. Obviously this is pancake swap liquidity, right? Obviously I know that, but let's talk about actual whales. Look at this baby Shiba Inu. I can't even comprehend how big this is. Like, this is million, this is billion, this is trillion. 1.1 trillion sold 9 hours ago. That's so much sold. And yes, they did buy a lot too. They bought 5 million, or 5 trillion actually, but they sold a lot too. And before that, they've been selling. They've been selling this for the longest time. This isn't the only whale doing this. This whale also is selling a lot of baby Shiba Inu. The baby Shiba Inu whales are selling a lot. Even the ones that aren't whales are selling a lot. Baby Shiba Inu whales have a significantly low amount of money. Like, let's just be completely honest. Look at this. $8,000 for the number 17th whale. So the smallest sell order is going to cost the largest influx of price. And that's just the reality of it. Now, I want to show you something else too. So let's go back over to this live chart of baby Shiba Inu. Now let's scroll over. Remember, we had 1.6 million market cap right now. Now, look, people are trying to take advantage of this, so they're trying to buy more baby Shiba Inu. But when we go all the way down here, there was a whole $11,000 order that was made. Look, $7,000 baby Shiba Inu sold right there. That's $7,000. And remember, these whales are so small. These whales don't have that much money. So $7,000 in baby Shiba Inu, that's a lot of market cap for baby Shiba Inu. Let's be honest. That's a lot of market cap. Now let's scroll all the way down here. You can just see the sell order here, $7,000. That's a lot sold. And it won't let me go down any further, but if you did, there is $11,000 order. Now, when you come over here, you can also see like $7,000. Like the number 19th baby Shiba Inu whale only has $7,000. So when you think about it, like they're selling, but even if they sell a little bit, it's still going to go down a lot. So even the slightest rug pull can become the biggest rug pull. So it's like this is a very sticky topic with baby Shiba Inu, very sticky. Anyways, there's a lot of selling out going on. These whales are destroying the baby Shiba Inu price. They are jacking it all the way down, just turning it into dust, into nothing. These just this is just crazy. I mean, there's no expecting it. There is no knowing that this is going to happen. Even though I did mention yesterday, if you guys watch all my videos, you would see yesterday I mentioned there's just these random drops in baby Shiba Inu, and they're too prevalent to be not a rug pull, for it not to be a whale doing this. Like, it's strategically planned how many times baby Shiba Inu is dropped and sold. Way too many sell orders are going on. I mean, it's terrible to see this because a lot of people did lose money. Like, look at that, 40% in the last 24 hours. Everything else is doing fairly well today, but baby Shiba Inu is just taking it the short end of the stick. That's all I gotta say. Like, baby Shiba Inu is doing terrible. Now, anyways, they have good news, yet they're not doing good themselves. So that's something I really want to talk about here with baby Shiba Inu. Anyways, let's talk about the good news they got. So our app MOONSHOTS is open for registration. Sign up to be the first to join. Roughly 50 will be able to join iOS and 100 for Android at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We will release a 10-minute video that walks through the entire app promos to start around then as well. So this is their app, the MOONSHOTS app, a community vote-driven app for top coin listings, live market data, and some of the hottest NFTs in the crypto space. So pretty much thank CoinMarketCap. So this is pretty much what they're doing here. It's really similar to CoinMarketCap, and you can also buy NFTs on this website. So I guess it's going to be big because NFTs are really big. So this can actually be really big for baby Shiba Inu. This could actually change the game for baby Shiba Inu, and it seems like the baby Shiba Inu army is actually really big on this, even though it just dropped 40%. So, anyways, I guess this is really good news. It just sucks that baby Shiba Inu just dropped by so much. And over here, we're down, but we're not out. The app is epic, and it may take a while for people to realize, but this is a gold mine. Remember, NFTs are one of the most trending things right now. So the fact that they got NFTs on here, it could definitely help baby Shiba Inu jump in price, but it definitely isn't going to take out the fact that it just not lost 40% of its price. So let's just be honest here. Anyways, look at this. People are still kind of big with it, but I mean, to be completely honest, I think baby Shiba Inu right now is inside of a really bad spot with its price. And I mean, this is probably going to make a lot of the holders really upset. The fact that this keeps happening over and over and over again, having these huge drops, nothing to combat these huge drops, just over again, just so much money lost out of baby Shiba Inu. It just sucks to see that happen. But anyways, I mean, they still are, releasing this app, so this app could actually help. And on top of this, they have Instagram influencers posting the app and promoting it. As you can see, this Instagram influencer, his name is Cameron Dallas. He has 15 million followers on Twitter. So maybe if he promotes it on his Twitter and his YouTube, it could actually happen. And over here it says, what happened to Tory Lanez? Someone said rug. So yeah, I guess it was a trick. Tory Lanez really isn't promoting it. But this is something that I've been seeing happen a lot with baby Shiba Inu. They say something and they go back on their word. I mean, they're coming out with the app, which means they're actually doing something for the baby Shiba Inu community. But I gotta bring the good, the bad, and the ugly with baby Shiba Inu. I can't just talk about only the good stuff. But this is definitely terrible. I had to come out with this first because this is just huge, like huge, 40% last 24 hours, huge drop. It's just terrible. As you can see, they were going all the way sideways here, and then boom, big drop, really big drop. As you can see here, a bunch of money just started flowing out of baby Shiba Inu. So anyways, that's all I got for baby Shiba Inu. Hopefully they come back with this app and just really bounce back with their price as well. But that definitely sucks. But now let's talk about the technical analysis for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu, obviously, it has broken out of that uptrend. Same thing with Dogecoin, same thing with Bitcoin, same thing with Ethereum, same thing with Cardano. Everything is dropping right now, but it is coming back up. As you can see, it's reviving in its price. But like I said yesterday, we are probably going to trickle back down to our support before we retest that resistance that we have up there. So that is all I got for the technicals. Let's be honest. I talked about that yesterday and I said, look, we're probably going to come back down to the support and then come back up. I said that on my Dogecoin video, and everything follows Bitcoin predominantly. So Dogecoin is also doing the same thing. Dogecoin had the same drop and they're doing the same exact rebound inside of Dogecoin that's happening inside of Shiba Inu. The same little rebound right here. So everything is kind of moving the same exact thing. So let me go over to the Dogecoin chart so you can see. So first look at the Shiba Inu chart. Look at how it looks. Let me take off that little drawing. But look at how this looks, and then go right over here to Dogecoin and it will literally look the exact same. Like literally the exact same. It goes all the way down here and then it kind of rebounds. So it's the literal exact same inside Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So anyways, the Shiba Inu price right now is still going up, unlike baby Shiba Inu. But anyways, Shiba Inu has 624,000 people holding it. That's still a lot of people holding it. You know, Shiba Inu just gets a lot of people coming in every single day. You refresh it now, it's 624,459, almost 100 people within inside 10 minutes. So Shiba Inu definitely has a lot of potential. Definitely way more potential right now than baby Shiba Inu is looking like. But baby Shiba Inu might be able to rebound. Hopefully it rebounds with this app. But it comes out 8 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely check that out when it comes out. And I've been seeing GTA 6, trending here on Twitter. So anyone who is interested in GTA 6, let's be honest, they're making too much money off of GTA 5 to start with GTA 6. Like, you got to think about it. They're making money off of so much stuff with the online inside of GTA 5. They're not going to go to GTA 6 yet. They're just making too much money. But anyways, let's move on for that. That's off topic. But let's talk more about Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu price, it moves higher as Bitcoin tests 46,000 resistance. Now that we just now dropped, remember everything's following Bitcoin, like I said. So we're really gonna have to pass the resistance of 0.000008. And for Bitcoin, that equivalent is $46,000. So if Bitcoin gets above $46,000, Shiba Inu gets above that A area and will knock out a zero coming inside the soon future. So that's definitely going to be coming soon. But anyways, this is all I got for Shiba Inu. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you do like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.